Morning student, I am Rakesh Kuswaha from City Group of College. Today we all study about the B.Ed first year, second semester, paper, first science, unit first, topic, energy, concept and its uses. Lectures 8. इस लेक्चर्स में एनर्जी इट्स कॉन्सेप्ट टाइप्स एंड यूजेस के बारे में स्टडी करेंगे. एनर्जी इन फिजिक्स कैपेसिटी फॉर डूइंग वर्क. इट एग्जिस्ट इन पोटेंशियल, काइनेटिक, थर्मल, इलेक्ट्रिकल, chemical, nuclear, other form of energies. They are moreover heat and work. That is, energy is the process of transfer from one body to another. What is energy? Energy is the fundamental form of living for all living beings. There are different forms of energies on this planet. Sun is considered as elemental form of energy on the earth. In physics, energy is considered quantitative properties which can transfer from an object in order of its to formed work. Hence, we can define energy as strength to do any kind of physical activities. Thus, they say energy is ability to do work. Unit of energies. International systems of unit of measurements of energy is joule. Unit of energy is named after James Prescott Joule. Energy also expresses the many other units not part of the SI, such as erg, calorie, British thermal units kilowatt hours and kilocalorie, which require the convergence factor when expressed in SI unit. Energy convergence, transfer and transform. We know that energy can transfer from one form to another. The moment of energy from one location to another is known as energy transfer. We notice various transformations happening around us, following the four ways the energy can transform. First, mechanically by action of force, electrically by radiations, by light, wave and sounds, by hearing, by conduction, by heating, by conduction, convection and radiation. इस तरह से हमारे 4 मेथड्स द्वारा एनर्जी वन फॉर्म से अनदर फॉर्म्स में ट्रांसफर होती है. मैकेनिकली, इलेक्ट्रिकली, by radiations and by heating. The process which result in the energy changing from one form to another form is known as energy transformation. While energy can transform or transfer, that the total amount of energy does not change. This is called energy conservation. Law of conservation. law of conservation of energy. According to law of conservation energy, it states that the energy neither be created nor not destroyed but only be converted one from to another. The unit of energy is joule. In these articles, let understood understand in detail amount about the unit of energy and different form of energy. Although there are many form of energy, it broadly categorizes kinetic energy and potential energy. इनको हम दो भाग में यानी काइनेटिक एनर्जी के भी कुछ पार्ट्स हैं और पोटेंशियल एनर्जी के भी पार्ट हैं, उनको भी हम डिस्कस करेंगे. काइनेटिक एनर्जी इज energy associated with the object of motion. Object in motions capable of causing change or are capable to doing more. To better understand, let us think wrecking ball and wrecking balls in motions used to do work such as demolitions of building stones. It's even a slow moving wrecking ball is capable cause of lot of changes others object such as empty house. However, wrecking balls that is not in motion does not do any work. Another examples of the kinetic energy associated with the constant and random bouncing or bouncing of atom and molecules. This is also known as thermal energy. The average thermal energy of a group of molecules is that we called temperatures, and when thermal energy is transferred between two objects, it's known as heat. Kinetic energy determined by giving the formula 1/2 mv square, and different type of kinetic energy: radiant energy, thermal energy, and sound energy, electrical energy. These are type of kinetic energies. Radiant energy transfer type of uh, radiant energy referred to type of energy that travels by wave or particles. This is created through electromagnetic wave, and it's most commonly expressed by the humans in the form of heat. Following are few examples of radiant energy where you turn on incandescent lights bulb give off to form energy. There is visual light and heats are generated. Both generated energy are a form of radiant energy. Sunlight is example of radiant energy. Thermal energy is similar to radiant energy, that is expressed in the form of heat, warmth, while radiant energy refers to the wave and particles. Thermal energy describes the level of activities among the atom and molecules in object. This is only different between radiant energy and thermal energy. Some example thermal energy included geothermal energies that come from the decay of natural minerals and volcanic actions of the of the earth is example of thermal energy. When you heat up the pizza in oven, oven, you are raising the temperatures of the pizza. The molecules take up the pizza are moving more quickly when pizza is baking hot. The warmth that you emanating from the engine is example of thermal energy. Sound energy, the vibrations that reach the human's ear and experienced by the humans as sound distributes the move in the form of wave through the medium like ears, wrist, our eardrum. On hearing, on reaching the eardrum, these vibrations are converted into electrical signal and send the brain, which is interpret and senses sound. Electrical energy, the flow of negative charges electron around the circuit result electricity, which more commonly referred electric energy. Mechanical energy, mechanical energy associated with the mechanical movement of object. Potential energy, potential energy is energy stored in object or systems of object. Potential energy that has ability to transfer into more various form of kinetic energy. Kinetic energy determined by the thermal formula potential energy mgh, m for mass, g for gravity and h for height. Both potential energy and kinetic energy is form of the mechanical energy. Mechanical energy is determined by the formula mechanical energy 1/2 mv square plus mgh. Different type of potential energy: gravitational potential energy, elastic potential energy, chemical potential energy, and electrical potential energy. These are potential energy. Gravitational potential energy is stored an object as result of its vertical position of and height. Elastic potential energy is stored the results apply and the force deform as elastic object. Chemical energy is stored in the chemical bond of the substance. It is the energy that absorbed or released due to the change in the particle number of given species. Electric potential energy that need to move a charge against the electric field. And last topic is usage of energy. There are most basic uses including watching televisions, washing clothes, heating, lighting the home, taking showers, working from home or laptop and computers, running applications and cooking. While we divide our energy views among four sections: economic sections, residentials, commercial, transportations and industrials. Heating and cooking our home, lighting office building, driving cars and moving freight, and manufacturing the products we rely our in daily life are all functions require energy. Thank you, class.